According to latest media reports, the Indian Army is getting ready to test 3 next-generation combat systems next month in Chennai, that have been developed by an Indian startup company Defence Master India Private Limited. The Indian Army will test the Sooran Unmanned Ground Combat Vehicle, Sky Emperor Unmanned Air Combat System and a remotely controlled and autonomous cluster of Scout aerial vehicles. The multi-train Sooran unmanned vehicle weighs 500 kilograms and is equipped with artificial intelligence long-range cameras, high-end processors and advanced sensors. The Sky Emperor Unmanned Air Combat System is capable to conduct coordinated combat operation in autonomous mode by using artificial intelligence, while the Scout drones are capable of targeting specific areas with smaller payloads, and can also be used for search operations with object and facial recognition. Specially appointed monitors have finally cleared the 2 procurements, including the Very Short Range Air Defence System and the Self-Propelled Air Defence System, and they will now be placed before the Defence Acquisition Council. The Very Short Range Air Defence System will be procured for all the 3 services, while 104 Self-Propelled Air Defence Systems will accompany the Army's Strike Corps during combat operations. Other procurements to be discussed include 2 simulators for Hawk trainers worth 600 crore rupees, 15,000 indigenously developed fuses for about 700 crore rupees, and 2 multi-purpose vessels for the Indian Navy. A parliamentary panel has flagged concerns about the Indian military modernization, and has pointed out that the capital budget for this financial year is 35% less than the requirement projected by the armed forces. Top experts have said that it is critical to allocate more money to the military this year, otherwise the insufficient budget reallocation would affect the acquisition of fighter jets, ships, submarines and tanks. The Tiruchy Ordnance Factory has handed over the first consignment of 500 tar rifles to Central Reserve Police Force, which are the indigenous version of AK-47. The development of the rifle was started in 2015, and the production line was established in 2017, after which delivery was made to various state police forces in 2017. The Ordnance Factory is ready to supply the TARs in both fixed and foldable butt models. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited and the National Aerospace Laboratories have signed a pact for design, development, production and maintenance of the Saras Mark II aircraft, which is intended to be sold to Indian Armed Forces, as well as civil aviation sector and export customers. The 19-seater aircraft has more than 70% indigenous content, and will be 20 crore rupees cheaper than the imported aircraft.